With the shift to green energy, a new era has begun, defined by renewable sources, digital connectivity, and intelligent power networks. This transformation is especially evident in education. Instructors must equip learners not only with knowledge, but also with practical skills. Modern power networks, known as smart grids, connect generation, transmission, storage, management, and consumption into one intelligent system. In the Smart Grid Lab from LN, this connected energy world becomes tangible, hands-on, safe, and focused on the real demands of the job market. With its integrated SCADA control, energy flows can be emulated, visualized, operated, and understood directly within the classroom. This enables learners to develop practical competencies that prepare them for the challenges of today's and tomorrow's energy markets. The lab is modular and flexible, with stations and modules that can be freely combined and adapted to specific curricula and training scenarios. Thanks to the integrated OPC interface, the system is open for research, projects, and future applications. A complete SCADA environment provides real-time visualization, AI-assisted control, and time-based data logging, making complex energy systems transparent, safe, and measurable. With RXLea, digital learning and real hardware come together, creating real experience learning. Instructors teach more efficiently, learners gain a deep understanding of sustainable energy, and together they become the skilled professionals who make the green energy transition possible. The future of energy begins where learning becomes passion, with LN.